All right, guys, it's time for our daily math problem. I wonder what they're getting a bunch of today. All of these math problems have had a lot of things. So, Isabel went to the grocery store. She got 29 apples and 17 oranges. I hope she's sharing with her family. How many pieces of fruit did she buy in all? Or maybe she's taking them to a food bank or to her classroom or something cool like that. All right, so the first thing we need to do is write an equation. And since it says how many does she buy in all, we know that we are adding. So go ahead and make a line, a plus sign, another line, an equals, and a question mark. We do not have extra information in this word problem. They've been pretty good to us, not trying to trick us or anything. So we're going to take the two numbers it mentions. So 29 goes in that first spot and 17 in the second spot. And then we need to show our thinking using base 10 blocks. So let's go ahead and make 29 first. 29 has two 10s, so I'm going to make two lines. And it has 9 ones, so I'm going to make 9 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Our second number is 17. It has 1 10 and 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I stacked them so it'll be easy to do our next step. All right, after we make our base 10 blocks, we count our ones. So we know there's 9 in the beginning, so I'm just going to count up from 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So then I think to myself, is 16 more than 10? And it is more than 10. So we're going to trade 10 ones for a 10 rod. So go ahead and circle 10 of your ones. Cross it out. Make a little tiny arrow. And we're trading, so we're not just giving someone our 10 ones. We have to get something in return. So we need to draw another 10 to show that we traded. See my arrow and my new 10? After that, I count how many ones are left outside of the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to put a 6 in my answer in the ones place. Now I have to count the 10s and make sure you remember to count the one that you traded for. It's very, very important. 10, 20, 30, and the one we traded for makes 40. So I'm going to put a 4 in my 10s. So I have 46. Just like the other days, we want to get the same answer down here. If we get a different answer, then we have made a mistake somewhere and we need to go back and check both methods. So if you haven't already, go ahead and go get 2 different colored pens, crayons, whatever you can find. Colored pencils, you just need 2 different colors. And then we're showing our thinking on an open number line. So once you have your pens or crayons or whatever you're using, you need to pick one color for your 10s. I'm going to use blue for my 10s today, and I'm going to put a blue T up in the top corner. And then I'm going to use my green for my 1s, and I'm going to put a green O. So I know, and my teacher knows, that what colors I'm using for my 10s and my 1s. All right. So, at the beginning of our number line, we're going to write our first number, which is 29. I put it at the beginning of my number line. That's all I do with the first number. So now I have to look at the second number, and I need my 10s color, which I chose blue. 17 is my second number, and it has 1 10s in it. So I'm going to make one hump from 29. I'm going to make sure it goes all the way down to the line because that's very, very important. And then I'm going to put plus 10 in that hump. So 10 more than 29 is 39. And at the end of that hump, I'm going to write 39. Not in the middle, not right beside 29, all the way at the end. Then I'm finished with my 10s and I need my 1s color. So I look back at my second number, which is 17, and it has 7 1s. So I'm going to start right where my 10s ended, and I'm going to make 7 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 1s. And I'm going to trace with my finger and count each hump as I go until I run out of humps. So 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, and 46. And 46 goes at the end of my number line to show that's where I got to. And again, we match. So we did awesome today. Good job. So now it's the easy part. We have to write our complete number sentence. So we just take our equation from above, which was 29 plus 17 equals, and instead of a question mark, we have our final answer, which is 46. So 46 goes in that last blank. What is your final answer? 46. Now we need a word to go after our number. It's not 46 puppies. It's not 46 cupcakes. They mention apples and oranges, but we can't say 46 apples because that's not true because we have oranges. And we can't just say oranges because that's not true because we also have apples. So 46 fruits. And fruits is spelled F-R-U-I-T-S. 46 fruits. And that is all for our word problem today. I bet you guys are getting really good at that open number line. We had just started it before school canceled, but you guys were doing great before. So I can't wait to see how much progress you've made. I'm going to go over your math fact sheet. If you have not completed your math fact sheet yet, please stop this video and go complete your math fact sheet. I'm just going to go over the answers. So I want you to see how many you can get on your own. And if you don't get them all, that's fine. We're still learning our math facts. And I just want you to do your very, very best. You're not going to grow in your math facts if you're just listening to the video and writing down the answers. You will grow if you're practicing the math facts by yourself and then checking your answers and seeing how many you got right. So the past few days we've had like a short amount of numbers. That would be the answers. Today our answers can be anywhere from 0 to 15. So it's a little bit trickier today. So if you haven't already done your math fact sheet, pause the video now. Okay. Here are the answers to the math fact sheet. Row 1, 13 plus 0 equals 13. 9 plus 5 equals 14. 8 plus 2 equals 10. 7 plus 4 equals 11. 8 plus 5 equals 13. 6 plus 6 equals 12. Second row. 11 plus 0 equals 11. 13 plus 1 equals 14. 9 plus 3 equals 12. 5 plus 4 equals 9. 6 plus 5 equals 11. 8 plus 6 equals 14. Third row. 7 plus 7 equals 14. 12 plus 2 equals 14. 9 plus 4 equals 13. 6 plus 4 equals 10. 8 plus 7 equals 15. 5 plus 7 equals 12. 8 plus 4 equals 12. 6 plus 7 equals 13. 12 plus 3 equals 15. 13 plus 2 equals 15. 14 plus 1 equals 15. 10 plus 3 equals 13. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth row down, 3 plus 9 equals 12. 5 plus 6 equals 11. 8 plus 5 equals 13. 7 plus 6 equals 13. 6 plus 5 equals 11. 6 plus 9 equals 15. Last row. 8 plus 3 equals 11. 4 plus 6 equals 10. 10 plus 5 equals 15. 9 plus 2 equals 11. 5 plus 5 equals 10. And 6 plus 8 equals 14. Now that we have graded our paper, we're going down to our little frog friend and marking our accuracy. I told you guys about my new frog friend yesterday, and I'll tell you today, my cat is very scared of my yoga frog friend, and she will not go near him in the window. So, our frog friend on our paper is accuracy. If you got them all right, mark I got them all right. If you missed a couple, so 2 or 3, go ahead and put I missed a couple. That's fine. If you miss more than 2 or 3, go ahead and mark I will practice these and pick 4 that you're going to practice, because practice makes you get better. And it's okay if you miss more than that. We are still learning, and our goal is just to get better each day. Efficiency. I use these strategies. Counting up is when you use your fingers. Doubles or doubles plus 1 would be like 6 plus 6 or 6 plus 7. Tens partners, plus 10 or plus 9. If you timed yourself, which as always is not necessary, but if you did, you can put how much time you finished it in. If you missed a few, you can write your next goal. If you are getting these right every single day, all of them, then I suggest timing yourself and trying to beat your time each day. Only if you're getting them all right. All right, that is all for my math video. I love and miss you guys. I can't wait to see some of the things you guys are doing at home. And we have one more video today, and that will be reading a map. So tune into that video too. Bye.